Hello guys, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today's lick of the day was an excerpt from the song Opihi Man from the Ka'au Crater Boys. And again, I'm doing it on a high G, and we're going to use the high G because there's a part where we do this banjo roll thing. So we're gonna need a high G for this one. Otherwise, you can use a low G, it's just not going to sound the same. And there's a couple of different techniques that are employed. And one is that rolling banjo technique, and the other is the tremolo picking with the pull-offs. And we're going to take a look at both of those techniques today, but before we do that, let me show you how the lick went. It went like this. So, let's get a close-up and see how that went. Alright, so the initial lick starts off from this shape that looks kind of like a G, right, where we have 2 and 3 on the first and second strings. But I'm using these 2 fingers because I'm going to spread them out. So we slide up so that this finger goes up to the 7th fret and this one comes down to the 5th. So from 2 to 3, it goes open to 5 and 7. I just pick this string, I slide in, and I play it 3 times. I go back down here to 3 and 5, and then back to the original shape. So it goes. This part we're going to start off with our first finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. We're going to hammer onto 4th, and then we're going to play an open 4th string. Now we're going to slide in from 2 to 3 and play that open 4th string one more time. Now we're going to hammer on to the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then the top string, and then again on the hammer on from 2 to 3, and then play the top string again, and then we're going to play the 5th fret twice. So it goes. Now the next part is a repeat of the first part, where we slide in, now the last part that we're going to do is the pull-off lick. So we're going to go here, and we're starting at the 5th fret. So what that is I'm picking the 5th fret, pulling it off, and then I play it one more time. So 5th, 3rd, 2nd, and then we go to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So okay, so all together. And that's going to be the lick of the day from the Opihi Man solo on the Ka'au Crater Boys On Fire album. Alright guys, so if you liked today's lick, go ahead and hit that like button below. I appreciate all your comments, so go ahead and please comment on the video. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Now, if you like the way I teach, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com, where we've actually done the entire song there, and you can learn how to play it. And you can get 2 weeks for free if you sign up right now. Alright guys, so I'll see you around. Aloha.